Hello everyone and welcome back to Ben Marks Motors. Here today we've got this fantastic example of a practical SUV with those premium flares. This is the 2019 Renault Kadjar GT line, finished in this stunning diamond black metallic, which is actually a factory upgrade worth £590. With 62,207 miles on the clock and proof of 5 services, including the last one at 48,818 miles. This car will be supplied freshly serviced with a new MOT and ready to drive away. Under the bonnet, you've got that 1.3 litre turbo petrol engine, which produces 140 brake horsepower, and that's paired with its manual gearbox. It's responsive, smooth and efficient, ideal for both city runs and motorway trips, and the road tax is just £195 a year. Black does look really nice in the lights. Fortunately, it's not a nice summer's day, but it has been raining, so we're quite lucky to get this in today. As the top spec GT line model, do you know you're getting all the good stuff? You've got the full LED lighting, bold styling, premium alloys, and a raised ride height that gives it a commanding presence on the road. As you can see there, really nice. Let's look inside. Luckily on this model, you're treated to an upgraded sound system, which is currently on. I'll just turn that off. There we go, turn that down. So as mentioned, you're treated to an upgraded sound system. This car comes with the BOSE energy efficient sound system, which sounds amazing and gives you that luxury feel every time you drive. As I mentioned, there's also that slick touchscreen infotainment system, which has sat-nav Bluetooth. The climate control is there as well, and you've got these lovely heated leather effect seats as well, which is part of the GT line upgrade. Got a really nice multifunctional steering wheel in this one to control the rest of the car, and you've got a nice heads-up display with everything you need. I drove this car back, it's a lovely drive, really fast and responsive when needs to be as well. This car does also have a panoramic sunroof, as you can see. I'll just show you up there. Which on a nice day really adds to the feel of your drive. It also has included as well the previous owners left in the wires for the dash cam. So if you do have a dash cam or thinking of getting a dash cam, the wires are already in and plugged straight in, so no need to worry about that. There we go. Into the back, really nice and spacious. You've got 2 USB sockets, which you can see straight away, with also a 12-volt battery charger there. Nice cup holders in the middle, which obviously that just folds up to give you 3 seats, and you've got your air conditioning in the back as well. As I mentioned, really nice and spacious. You do have ISOFIX in this model as well, so if you need to put child seats in, you can do. You've got seat belts there as well. There we go, just from another angle. Into the boot, you've got a really spacious boot on this model with lots of features. So as you can see, nice standard boot, really big, really deep. You've got a really nice pull out at the top up here, which pulls out and clips in place to hide whatever you're hiding in the boot. That does come out as well, it just locks in place at this side and pulls out, so in case you wanted something quite large in there or you wanted the seats down. Seats are fairly easy to use, quick pull of this lever here and the seats go down like that. Really simple, really easy to use as such. So now I'm ready for my fridge freezer to go in, or whatever else you're putting in. It has a loose floor in this one as well, so obviously this is the standard height. Both of these do come out as so, to give you a lower floor in case you want to put anything a bit taller in. And underneath, I'll just put this back over here. Underneath here as well, you've got your tyre puncture repair kit with your tyre inflation device, and this is your upgraded subwoofer in the boot as well. Obviously you've got your pulley up there as well. This is a really nice example of a Kadjar, this model. Obviously, as I said, it's the GT line, so you get absolutely everything on it as well. The car does also have a camera at the back, which is a neck-based one. So if you do have a neck-based camera or are planning on getting one, it can connect straight up to this one. So if you put in one in the front, you can have the back one as well. Straight back again. Obviously, we've got the seats down at the moment, but even with the seats down, plenty of room. There's that boot as well. and the passenger side. Really nice. Obviously there's that BOSE sound system, as you can see on there. Got nice Kadjars on the mats and the door trims. And a really nice, quite a nice support bar there actually, which adds to the feel from the passenger side. Looks quite nice. For those panicking mums as well, it's something to grab onto when you're not braking. There we go. So yeah, there you go. It's just had 3 previous keepers. It's been well maintained. Obviously, as I mentioned, it'll come with a clean MOT and a fresh service. And it's got the optional warranty coverage included, which is 12 months on this model, 12 months gold, our top package. So you're buying with confidence. So if you're after a reliable, well-spaced SUV that looks sharp and feels premium, this Kadjar GT line is a brilliant choice. Come down and see it in person or get in touch today to book your test drive. It's ready to go when you are. Thanks again for watching.